Hello, this is for 10/22/2020. It's just going to be a quick review on and reminding of estimating. Whenever we estimate to make it easier. And the thing that we do when we estimate is to make it quicker, to make it so it's close, it's not exact. So what you do is it's going to seem like it's a little longer, but as you understand it, it'll go quicker. So what the first thing is you do is you look and you see the numbers and you see which one place value do they all have that are the same. When the largest place value that they all have the same. So there's the 200s, the 10s, and the 1s. Well, 200 only has, nobody, there's two numbers that do not have any hundreds, so you would go to the 10s, and they all have, I call them they all have their friends with them. And so what you would do is you would actually look at this and you would say, oh, look at the 5, that's the number that's going to be changed, and then you have a bossy number behind it. That bossy number will tell the 5 to 5 or more, add one more, so that would actually change to 260. And the more often you do this to quickly estimate it, the quicker you wouldn't have to do these steps right here. But this is just to help you do step by step. So then here's my number that needs to be estimated or rounded. 4 tells the 3 to rest, it's 30. And the 7 tells the 8 to add one more. And the reason why we don't do it to the hundreds place value is because they don't have, there's the number, if you estimate 34 to the hundreds, it's going to be 0. And it's not going to make as an accurate estimation. So this would be 90. And then you would add these up. And you would get 0. I do 6 plus 3 is 9. 9 plus 9, double 9s is 18. So I would regroup. And I would get 380. Well, that's my estimation. That's just, you would say, oh, it's about 380 if you didn't have time to quickly add them all up. Well, if you add them all up, you would know that this would be 10 plus 7 is 17. I would regroup. Then I would do 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 plus 8. So I would do double 8 plus 1, which would be 17. So I would regroup. Because you would do double 8, which would be 16. And then one more would be 17. And then you do the 3, that would be 377. So that's a relatively close estimation. So if you were trying to estimate to go close, you would say this is a very close estimation. Another thing that we quickly discussed was perimeter today. And perimeter means to add all the sign. It's the outside of a fence. And you see how that red line equals the outside? So in this case, you would look at it and you would say there's 1, 2, 3, 4 blocks here. 1, 2, 3 blocks here. 4 blocks here. And 3 blocks here. And then and when you do perimeter, it's add all the sides. Perimeter is add all the sides. So I would do 3 plus 3 is 6. Plus 4 is 10, plus 14, so you would say your perimeter would be 14, in this case, 14 squares, lines for the square, so you would have 14 would be the perimeter. Alright, guys. The other thing that we were really working on this today was discussing and going over this, so this is something to work on when you have a chance. Solve this question, and then we jump to this question to solve it. Alright, guys. So, and then also you should be doing in your Big Fat Turtle page, in the Big Fat Turtle you're doing page 235 in the Big Fat Turtle. All right, have a great day.